Since its 1993 launch, the Nissan Eltima has been a part of the midsize sedan market. The vehicle is renowned for striking a mix between dependability, comfort, and fuel economy. The 2025 Nissan Eltima's engine selections have been simplified, which is one of the main modifications. 188 horsepower and 180 lb-ft of torque are produced by this 2.5L four-cylinder engine, which is paired to an Stronach CVT transmission that has been tuned for both fuel economy and comfort. The removal of the 2.0L turbo engine that was previously offered shows that Nissan is putting more of an emphasis on cost and efficiency. The 2025 Eltima is also one of the few sedans in its class to have all-wheel drive (AWD), which is still an option. Better power distribution on slick roads or in bad weather is made possible by the AWD system, which enhances vehicle control and stability. Pedestrian detection and automated emergency braking. Blind spot detection to prevent side impact collisions. Cross-traffic warning in back to help with reversing. Warning of lane deviation with automatic correction. Furthermore, it continues to incorporate ProPilot Assist, a semi-autonomous technology that assists drivers in managing steering, braking, and accelerating when traveling on a highway. This feature makes driving more comfortable and safe, especially on lengthy trips and in congested areas. The 2025 Nissan Eltima is still a desirable car for people seeking a blend of cutting-edge safety features, contemporary styling, and dependable performance. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.